spending your last day of this year. And congratulations, you've survived another year. Take a moment to be proud of yourself and be grateful for all the things happened in the last year. 2023 might not have been the year you hoped it to be, but you still have 365 days coming really soon. I hope that you are ready to make 2024 to be a better year. We all experienced so much in 2023. We were not always happy. We had those times that we felt sad. We had those times that we were depressed. But I still believe all these things would be a valuable memory in the coming years. In this video, I will show you some videos that I filmed from a trip that we had back in November. It was such an incredible trip, so I hope you will enjoy this last video of 2023, and let's get started. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope 2024 will be the happiest, the sweetest, and the warmest year for you all. I always have a quote in my mind, which is, move forward with optimism. Live happily and always be grateful for all the little things around you. Believe in a brighter future. I hope you all the best in the next 365 days. Happy New Year, and see you soon in 2024. Bye.